In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front sway bar links on this Ford F-350. They connect the sway bar to the frame of the truck, so let's get started. At the top, you're going to use an 18mm socket and remove this mounting nut. My threads are fairly rusty, so I'm going to use a wire brush and clean them up. This will hopefully allow the mounting nut to come off a little bit easier. I'm going to spray a little bit of rust penetrant to help it out and remove it. It's fairly stuck, so I'm going to use my induction heater on this to heat it up and help it break free a little bit faster. That's broken free. Let's remove the bottom. The bolt on the bottom has a 15mm head and an 18mm mounting nut on the other side. Break this free. My link fell out, but here it is. I'm going to remove this bolt. Any hardware that you remove and you think is in poor condition, replace it. Take the new sway bar link and slide it through the top. Make sure it lines up with the bottom as well. Get the bolt through on the bottom. Install the washer on the bottom on the outside and the mounting nut. Now grab your tools and tighten this up. Torque on this is 60 foot-pounds. Start the mounting nut on the top, tighten that up. 60 foot-pounds on this one as well. Sway bar link is replaced. I recommend you do the same thing on the other side. Always replace these in pairs.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.